Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This week we're making dumplings. I'm going to do 7 uploads in 7 days. This is the hashtag Chappy7 Dumpling Challenge 2022. So me and my little Chihuahua Mookie have saved you a seat at the bar. Sit back, relax, and pour yourself a drink.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode coming up. The other night I had Greek pork chops. See here how I made my Greek pork chops. Now for Appies with Chappy by the Lake, I'm going to take those Greek pork chops and make dumplings for appetizers. So roll the intro to Appies with Chappy by the Lake.
Appies with Chappy by the Lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the Lake. Today we're doing leftovers. So last night I made a Greek pork chop. Check it out. So I'm going to take that leftover pork chop and make a dumpling out of it. Check it out. All right, we need something to go with our dumplings. So I am going to make a cocktail. If you're scoring at home, this is on page 456 of the Bartender's Guide. This is called a tall ship. So it says I'm supposed to build it in a old-fashioned glass and stir. They just got a short glass, so it's a short glass for a tall ship. Add some ice. And according to the Bartender's Guide, calls for 1 1/2 ounce of Kahlua. One and 1/2 ounce of Irish cream liqueur. Oh, I have some Bailey's salted caramel today. Ooh, it smells nice. And that's 1 1/2 ounce. I suppose I could have layered it, but it's too late now. And 1 1/2 ounce of drambuie. They just could have called it one part, but all right, that's a tall ship to go with my Greek pork chop dumplings. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.